All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about getting sick. If you guys saw my live stream that I did, well, when I was still sick and home, you guys know last week I went home sick. It sucks. One, you feel like, and you're not getting paid unless you have vacation. Well, I don't have vacation. I used up all my vacation and then it hasn't reset yet, so I didn't get paid for a day and a half. Now, wasn't doing too bad that week, even though it was a short week, so I got holiday pay and then basically a decent enough paycheck. So wasn't too bad. I hated it for one, I was leaving the guys shorthanded. Two, I was leaving Andrew in charge, so it hurts his paycheck to have to help manage the shop when I'm not here. He's not used to it. He's more than capable, don't get me wrong. And I do appreciate him doing it, but you feel bad for doing it. And, if you're just a technician, I left a car unfinished. Now, I came in and finished a car I had completely torn apart, and by the time I was done with that car, I was done. There was another car that I left that, was partially completed. I mean, it was taillight assemblies and a brake switch, but, it still sucked that I left something undone. And it sucks for everybody, for the shop, for your coworkers who have to pick up the slack. It sucks for you because one, you're sick, and two, you might not be getting paid. If you're out of sick days, if your shop doesn't pay for sick days, if you don't have any vacation days, you're not getting paid. But I have to tell you, I know, and this one goes out to especially the young guys. If you get sick, don't wait till you're about to have to go to the hospital to take some time off. I know it sucks not getting paid. I know it sucks leaving the shop, leaving stuff undone or just not getting stuff done. But take care of yourself. You only got one life. That paycheck is not going to save you if you wind up in the hospital with pneumonia. Bad stuff can happen if you don't take care of yourself. So if you get sick, if you're bad enough to stay home, you know it, stay home, get better, come back, kill it on flat rate. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, maybe you work sick. Don't do that. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.